going to do easy daily to do makeup. First, we are going to start with the foundation. So we'll spread the foundation evenly all over the face. So once we are done with this, we will be applying the concealer all over the eyes, starting with the inner corner and on the eyelid. Evenly spread it so you can see the difference between where we haven't applied the concealer and where we have. Now we will be applying the compact over the concealer so we can seal that, and that way it would not become cakey. Now we'll be applying the eyeshadow. So we'll be applying it first over the crease, the darker shade, and the lighter shade on the lid. So here I am using the contour kit for the crease and the highlighter powder on the lid. And now I'll be applying the eyebrow pencil over the eyebrow. Once that is done, I'll be applying concealer, and then with the brow gel I'll be applying it on the eyebrow. And now it's time for the liner. So now I'll be doing my favorite winged liner on both the eyes. So once that is done, with your eyes done and a small session of time pass, now we'll be applying the eyelash mascara. I'm so sorry about that. On both the eyes. After that we'll be applying the kajal. I'm here using of the Joes. And now the highlighter, which I'll be using on the tear duct and on the cupid's bow. Now here comes the lip liner, which I'll be applying all over the lips, so that way it would make the lipstick last for longer. Even though lipstick is gone, you still have the lip liner on your lips. And now my favorite lipstick, which just lightens up your face. Now just a little bit contouring is going on, and I apply the brown shade of blusher on the deeper side of my face. Here it's done, applying the blush, and now I'll be opening up my hair as my makeup is done. And there is my small Christmas tree just behind my head, and people shouting as well. And here I'm ready. So this was easy to wear daily makeup, girls. You can wear this on the party as well for the day routine.